Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is of course your girl Moya and you are here with Baddies in the Bag. And in today's video we are about to stuff $250 in our high priority binder. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post new videos, and be a part of the Baddie gang. We're gonna start out the video like we always do. We're gonna jump into our positive quote and we're gonna see what is the universe telling us today. Today the universe is saying to us, may today be filled with kindness, self-love, and joy. Oh, thank you, universe. So let's get right into the stuffing. We have $250 to add to our high priority binder. Since I've redone my binders, this is my first stuffing. So I'm really excited for this. Let's get into it. So right here we have our $250. Let's get the money counted and let's jump right into it. So we have $50 here. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. So 250 is what we have. Let's grab our high priority binder and get into it. Okay, so I know I do need markers because I did add my insert. So let me grab a marker. Let's get started. Emergency, we're adding $60 to emergency today. So let's go ahead and add a $60. Each icon is $20. The goal is $1,000. And we've stuffed this so far. So if we're adding $60, we need to shade in 3 of these icons. So I'm going to finish that one and do these 2. So let's do that. Let me get my highlighter because the marker isn't working. Okay, so let's shade in 3 of these. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to put our $60 down. So we have 20, 40, 60. So putting $60 down into emergency, we now have 120, 40, 60, 80. That's 210, 20, 30, 40. So now we have 240 into emergency. Next up we have moving out, and to moving out, we are going to be adding $40. There's nothing in there now, so let's just take up our 40 and add our 40 to moving out. Next up we have healthcare, and for healthcare we're adding $30 today. So we have 20, 30, for tax prep, we're adding $40 to tax prep. So we have some money in here and we're adding 40. So let's do 20, 40. Whoopsie. By adding $40, now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 20, 35. So we have 135 into tax prep. And then last but not least, we have citizenship. And for citizenship, we need to add $50 to citizenship. Oh, not last but not least, my bad. We do have another insert here for citizenship, and the goal is $800 and each is $50. So we're going to go ahead and add $50. So we're only shading in 1 of these icons. So the 3 flags are shaded in, although you can hardly see them. There, you can see them better. So now we're gonna shade in 1 more flag. Our goal citizenship is definitely one of our goals for this year, so we're adding 50 to it. So putting back the insert, and let's add our 50. We have a hard 50, so we're going to do, so after adding the $50, we now have 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Then last but not least, we have credit cards, and for credit cards, we're adding $30. And that completes the stuffing for high priority for today. So thank y'all so much for watching the video. It's always a pleasure coming on here and putting on a show for all y'all. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful new year and get the planning. Great budgeting skills need to come out for 2024, and we need to save a bunch of money. So let's get it done. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video.